Watch the line, keep tension.
Tension is good, ready for the crane.
The deck is slick with sea spray, highlighting the need for vigilance. That yellow crane behind me is central to the deployment of the subsea cables.
Straps are secured on this side. All right, let me double check the tension points. Everything looks good, Captain. Pulling it down now. All right, looking good, keep it steady.
As the ROV approaches the debris field, the thrusters disturb centuries of accumulated sediment.
Adjusting the route now. Confirming new coordinates for Sector 4.
Harness secure. Check your comms.
Reading you clearly, ready for descent. All right, easy now, watch the starboard side. Steady, steady. Crane, take the tension.
Steady on the descent.
Copy that, Cap. Coming up on the water line now. We need to secure this section right here before the next swell hits. Make sure the straps are tight.
We're ready when you are.
Roger, commencing descent in 2 minutes. Keep the deck clear. Watch the clearance on the port side. Ease that chain slowly. All right, I've got it. It's coming loose now.
Umbilical clear on the starboard side. Copy that. Descending into the bell. Hatches secure.
Keep it coming down slow. All right, watching the ropes. Almost clear of the deck.
Okay, bring her down steady. Steady descent, copy that.
straps are secured and double checked. Roger that. All right, crane operator, we are ready for the lift. Okay, engaging the winch. Looks good, keep going. Watch the line on your side. All right, pulling it tight now. Secure the latch. All right, easy now. Watch the port side. Coming down steady. You got a splash, clear the water. All right, she's fully settled on the platform. Let's get these chains off and check the integrity. Readings are stabilizing now. Okay, the perimeter is secure. Okay, descent is clear. Check your pressure. Copy that. Sealing hatch now.
Front left secured. Rear right is tight. Let's move out.
Easy now, keep it steady. Slow down just a little bit. Roger that, watching the ramps.
Okay, bring it forward 5 meters. Watch the clearance on the right side.